Power of Magnets, written by Elizabeth Ornstein. Invisible magnets. A magnet is a special metal that attracts other metals. Look around your home and try to find one. Did you know that there may be hundreds of magnets in your home? You can't see most of them, but they're inside your telephone, blender, and hair dryer. Computers are full of magnets. Most of the electricity that runs these things comes from magnet streams. Magnetic steam is a force that's invisible. This force only puts on some metals, such as iron. A magnet will not put on copper or on wood either. Magnetic steam flows through a magnet. It goes in one end and out the other. These two ends are the north and south poles. The force flows out the north pole and back in the south pole. You can use two magnets to feel magnetic fields. The north pole of one magnet will attract the south poles of the other one. Now try to push the two north poles together. It isn't easy. Two north poles will always repel each other. So will two south poles. Magnets everywhere. Magnets have many modern uses. One credit card can have millions of magnets. These magnets are tiny, no bigger than grains of powder. Each tiny magnet points in its own direction. The different direction of the magnets make a chord. Computers read the chord. Putting a credit card near a powerful magnet can mess up or erase the chord. Magnets help make and use electricity. Almost all the electricity you use comes from machines called generators. Generators make electricity by spinning magnets around coils of wire. The magnet stream makes an electric current in the wire. Electric motors work like generators in reverse. They use electric current and magnets to spin an axle. The axle can be used to turn fans, cutting blades, or wheels. Fans, blenders, and remote controls cars use the power from those moving parts. Magnets allow some high-speed trains to flow above the track. The train actually flies as they travel. This makes for the fast, smooth ride. Doctor, this is a very powerful magnet to look inside the person's body. It helps doctors see cancer and other kinds of illness without having to cut open the persons. Magnets are fun. They're also really useful. Every time you watch television or even turn on a light, you're using magnets. Make your own magnet. You will need a large iron nail, a strong magnet, and several paper clips. Hold the nail by one end and slide it across the magnet in one direction. Keep sliding over and over. After 20 to 30 times, chuck the nail to the paper clips. Does the nail pick up the clips? How many can it pick up all at once? Keep stroking the nail along the magnet to make the nail's magnetic force stronger, so you can pick up those paper clips at once. Glossary attracts, pulls away, code a system of letters, symbols, or signals that have special meaning and are used to send message. Currents electricity that flows in a certain direction. Electricity an electric current that is used as a first source of power. 4. The strain of energy that moves an object. Generator machine that turn motion into electricity. Invisible, unable to be seen. Managed steam, a force that push and pulls certain metals. Repel, to push away.